Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Today I'm going to be doing something very exciting for you guys, and that is going to be an easy back to school makeup tutorial. I know that I'm probably very unoriginal because a lot of people do these. I really feel like I've nailed down kind of a really good and easy 15 minutes or less type of makeup look that will still leave you feeling presentable and ready to slay the freaking day. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into this video. So I have a basket here with all of the products that I'm going to be using for you guys today. As you could probably tell, I have zero makeup on right now. I literally only have some Glossier lip stuff on. So what I did before filming this video was actually the first step to this, and that is washing my face and moisturizing it. What I use currently for that is the Glossier Milk Jelly Cleanser. Pretty much every YouTuber uses this stuff. I'm so basic, but guys, this stuff is like my favorite. I didn't really get the hype until I tried it, and I was like, okay, I understand now, because it makes my face feel so smooth and soft. Then to moisturize, I use my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Multivitamin Booster, and this is just kind of like a jelly like consistency. This stuff is really awesome for moisturizing. I only use like a pea size because you don't need much of it. It's a great base for my makeup and really just leaves my face feeling hydrated and refreshed. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna hop into the makeup portion of this video, which is really exciting. So I'm just going to put my freshly straightened hair back. The first step to this back to school makeup routine is concealer. Guys, you're probably wondering, like, Lauren, just concealer? Like, I can't walk out like that. Girl, you can. Concealer, especially one that is, you know, really full coverage, is amazing. And I recommend getting one that's not too light for your skin rather than your skin tone. This is why the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer is one of my personal favorites. I recommend using it with a beauty blender sponge. This is like by NYX, it's not even like a real beauty blender, but I just dampened it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to, I'm looking at a mirror right here, by the way. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this underneath my eyes. And then I'm just gonna be putting it on spots around my face that maybe I'm breaking out in or a little bit red. And once you blend this in, especially with powder, it's gonna melt it all together. It's kind of gonna give you some coverage for school, but yet you're not having to do foundation. You're not having to do the whole routine. Dang, your girl is not having a good skin day, y'all. I am so sorry, but you have to see this. Okay, so once I have my concealer on, I'm just going to blend. I'm just blending that where I placed it. Cool. Okay, so once I have my concealer all in place, as you can tell, it probably is a little bit light right now, but that is why powder is the next step. The reason I included powder in this is because, of course, it's a normal thing usually everyone uses for their makeup routine. At school, you're gonna be sweating, you're gonna be running around, you know, you're gonna maybe eat lunch outside with your friend. Powder's just gonna ensure that everything stays in place all day. Little disclaimer, I'm not a beauty guru, so if I'm saying stuff a little bit wrong, that's why. I'm just gonna be placing this where I have my concealer. Okay, guys, so the next step is optional, but I think for me, this really just completes my look because I don't have to contour, I don't have to, you know, do this and this and this and this and this. I just love to use a bronzer, and I use the It Cosmetics Ombre Radiance Bronzer. Plus, not to mention, this lasts a really long time, so it is a little bit of an investment, but it does last, and it's very good for your skin. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that kind of in a 3 formation, I guess you can say. This is just really good, especially if you're a little bit on the lighter side of the skin spectrum like me. I highly recommend investing in a good bronzer. The next product that I'm going to be using is a blush. I recommend getting a blush that has a little bit of a shimmer already built into it, unless that's not your style. If you're like me and you usually use highlight, we're not going to be using highlight in this because it's an easy makeup routine. I'm using the NARS Orgasm blush, and it is just beautiful. It has like this beautiful pinky color with a little bit of a shimmer. I'm just going to be applying this to the apples of my cheeks, the sides of my forehead, and my chin. I just find this really brings everything together, and like I said, kind of makes it feel like I'm wearing a highlighter even though I'm not. Oh, beautiful. There you go, just a little bit of a light rosy color. Okay guys, so now we are done with the face portion. This is all I'm doing. As you guys can tell, I'm looking very put together, and in reality guys, this literally took 5 minutes, and you can even customize this to your own type of makeup, so it might even take less time. So next we are gonna be doing eyebrows. Most times, I know for me, I spend a lot of time on my eyebrows. For school, who has the time? So recently I came across this product by e.l.f. and it is a brow and lash trio that has like clear gel. One side's for your lashes and one side's for your brows. It's pretty much just a clear brow gel that kind of just sets your brows in place, and I really love this. So I'm just gonna be combing these in place. I just got my brows waxed, so they're looking pretty fine, not gonna lie. Okay guys, so one of my last products that is definitely a holy grail for school mornings is mascara. And I know this is really small. It's a trial size of the Clinique mascara, and I actually really love it. Also, I lost all my other mascaras. I don't know where they went, so we're just gonna be using this. What I love to do in the mornings, instead of like, you know, most times I don't wear like my lash extensions. Sometimes I do if I'm feeling a little bit, you know, like just cool that morning. Most times I'm just going to be curling my lashes and putting some mascara. The Tarte eyelash curler, which I highly recommend. I've had this for like 2 or 3 years now and I love it. I make such weird faces when I put on mascara. I'm very sorry. I always add a little bit to my bottom lashes. You don't have to do this. I do just because it helps me feel a little bit more put together. Okay guys, so we're almost done with this makeup look. So now we're just gonna move back down to the lips. What I recommend for school is not wearing like matte lipsticks and, you know, very bright and shiny lip glosses that are like bright red. I mean, if that's you, do it. For me personally, I just think something that's moisturizing and something that just adds a little bit of a shine to your lips is very, very cute and will look amazing. My favorite thing right now I'm actually wearing is the Glossier birthdaybalm.com Universal Skin Salve. I love this stuff so much, guys. It's cured my chapped lips. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more of this to my lips. And not to mention, this stuff smells heavenly. And it's definitely very hydrating for your lips. And during the school day, you're definitely gonna wanna keep your lips hydrated. And I love things like this because you can stick it in your backpack and just kind of, you know, low-key put it on, you know. I'm not saying once in a while it's not good to switch it up with a nice lipstick or something, but for most days when you just want something easy, I think a normal, you know, light colored lip balm is definitely the way to go. Alrighty, to end this face party we have going on here, I'm just gonna make sure that my face is set and stays on all day because this 10 minutes or 15 minutes you spend on your makeup is precious, especially in the school morning. You don't want all this time to go to waste. So I love to use my Fix Plus Gold Light by MAC. It has a little bit of a gold shimmer in it, and it's a prep and prime, so it makes sure that your makeup stays on all day and just leaves you feeling very bright and just good. Automatically everything is just coming together and looks so much more done, which I'm a big fan of. Okay you guys, so this is the completed look for a back to school easy makeup tutorial. Obviously guys, most of this was pretty common sense, so just kind of take it with a grain of salt. I just wanted to share with you guys what I would do in the mornings. So if you did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me and subscribe down below. This is probably gonna be my last video in my back to school series, but I hope you guys did enjoy these past couple videos. If you didn't see the other two I made, I will leave them linked down below, but yeah, so make sure to go give those a watch. That's it for today. I love you and I hope you have an amazing day, or whenever you're watching this, I hope your day's going amazing. I'll see you next time. Peace out.